To get a sense of the tantric orientation of Dolpopa's new systematization of emptiness, it is important to realize how distinct his great Madhyamaka was from other formulations of Madhyamaka. His Zhentong emphasized existent, truly established, Satyasiddha in Sanskrit, permanent Buddha nature that a practitioner could non-conceptually apprehend as neither entity nor non-entity, but a sublime third category, as opposed to competing formulations that held that realizing emptiness meant realizing the mere lack of phenomena's inherent existence. Dolpopa, on the other hand, melds sutric and tantric emptinesses into one system. By casting sutric-oriented emptiness, defined as a lack of inherent existence, as a stepping stone to the supreme understanding of emptiness as the ultimate, as free of all that is other than itself. Indeed, some later authors refer to Zhentong as tantric emptiness, though Dolpopa himself does not use that designation. He uses two hermeneutical strategies to recast established ways of investigating emptiness. First, he combines the Yogacara or Chittamatra, mind-only, doctrine of the three natures, with the Madhyamaka doctrine of the two truths to provide a sutric framework for his Zhentong. Second, he de-emphasizes the three-turning strategy for harmonizing the different types of Mahayana sutras, and instead turns to the Kalachakra Tantra's 4 eons to establish Zhentong as the superior doctrine. According to Stearns' summary of Dolpopa's interpretation of the three natures doctrine,
all imagined and dependent phenomena are non-existent in reality, while the fully established nature is fully established in reality, is never non-existent as the true nature of phenomena, and always exists in truth.
The absolute nature, which Dolpopa calls the fully established nature, is primordial awareness, Buddha nature. Many schools of Yogacara philosophers framed the ultimate basis of experience as fleeting moments of mind, but the vast explication presents primordial awareness, Jnana in Sanskrit, as the ultimately existed basis for all of existence. Dolpopa describes the ultimate as truly established, because it appears to an ultimate consciousness, not because it is established by reasoning. This points to another of Dolpopa's innovations in Dharma terminology. Chittamatra texts describe a mind basis of all, that is the neutral basis of all that we perceive through the various consciousnesses. Dolpopa, however, also posited a universal ground primordial awareness. That was the truly established nature, synonymous with great Madhyamaka that is, Zhentong, and Buddha nature. This informs Dolpopa's idea of the truly established nature and his interpretation of Chittamatra or Yogacara. Dolpopa fused Yogacara with Madhyamaka very differently. He held Rangtong, phenomena's lack of an existent self-nature, derived from the Madhyamaka traditions, subordinate to Zhentong, the truly established ultimate free from all conventional phenomena, which he related to Yogačara's established nature. Unlike other formulations of Madhyamaka, Dolpopa's description of Zhentong as the highest Madhyamaka view used Yogacara and Kalachakra terms to describe a state of awareness that opens for the practitioner following the removal of all mental and energetic obscurations. He accomplished this synthesis by positing the Great Madhyamaka, or Wu Ma Chen Po, which he usually defined as synonymous with Buddha nature, and which he supported with quotations from sutras by both the Yogacara and Madhyamaka schools, and from tantras and their commentaries, particularly those of the Kalachakra literature. Thus, Dolpopa did not simply invert the hierarchy and place Yogacara at the apex of the various Mahayana Buddhist philosophies. He envisioned a completely novel synthesis, in which sutras and tantras addressing the same topic, emptiness, should be read in light of each other. Dolpopa repeatedly emphasizes that simply recognizing the conceptual mind as inherently pure or already awakened is ineffective as a path to liberation. Only the Kalachakra system of six-limbed yoga can effectively clear away conceptual obstructions to the practitioner's primordial identity as a Buddha.
For more information on what Jonang Dharma says about the ultimate reality, please visit our website at jonangdharma.org. And if you like our video, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell.